Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Alright guys, so as you just seen, I just got new rims. We traded the RPF ones for some Ray Graham Light 57DRs, and then I also unexpectedly picked up an exhaust from him too. So now I'm back to dual exit, no longer single exit. It's a Gretty exhaust. So new rims, new exhaust, and we're back. The transformation of this car just coming along so smooth. We're about to wash her up right now and then hit it with a little cinematic. Alright, good morning, welcome back to the channel guys. So today Will's about to pick up my old suspension, the lowering springs. So I'm about to go ahead and head over there to him and get his car jacked up and start the process. So let's go ahead and see you guys when we get there. Alright, busting out on this first one. We got no power tools, so it kind of sucks, but we doing what we can. So this first one's almost out, and I'm about to throw that one in there. So almost one side done. I got that first one out. So they both stock suspension. Like I said, it's just the springs. Even though he has iBox springs, but for whatever reason it's not low. So we gotta throw in the H&Rs in. One done. And one side is finally done skis. Yeah.
Yeah. It looks lowered already.
Alright, on to the rear. Alright, the rear one is out. So we're there, about to throw our old one in.
Yes,
and
sir.
Then we'll get next clip will be
when everything's all done.
Everything's all done.
Okay.
Alright, let's get it. You guys talk shit saying, damn, you guys just finished? The sun's already setting. We ran into a problem where the bracket on where the lower control arc comes into, it was bent actually. So we couldn't get it in there, and for hours we had no tools so we could not get it in there. We tried sanding it for like an hour and a half, nothing happened. Tried banging it with the jack, didn't happen. So we had to call in the big guns and had to bring in Rodell, and he came with the hammer and everything. So Thanks to the homie, we were able to get in. So we're about to
Yeah.
show you guys in a
Literally
second.
saved us. Saved us.
But we're about to check out his Evo real quick. Damn! You guys haven't seen this one in a while. Super clean as always. And he's a big turbo boy, so fast boy. Are you guys ready for this? And boom, there she is, finally lowered. Way better. She looks mean now that she's lowered. I'm not gonna lie. We're in the fast boy Evo now.
Fast boy, you go.
Yes, sir. About to take a little tour of his new setup.
I'm not gonna launch it.
Oh, I thought you were about to.
Honestly, me too. I was getting ready. Oh, they are just killing it.
Well, we're
That's crazy. The downshift sounds so. That shit is insane.
a beast.